How to change your name on Subway Surfers. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your name on Subway Surfers. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So if you are trying to change your name on Subway Surfers but you're unable to do so, then here is what you can do. The first thing you need to know is that there is no active way to change the name from your game. So once you set up your name, you won't be able to change it. And if your account is connected to your Google Play's account, you can try to change your Google Play's name to change your name in game, but that will also not be possible. So what you're going to have to do is open up any web browser you have and then simply search for Subway Surfer support. Then click on the first link that you see, cybo.helpshift.com. And then from here, you will be directed to this website here. You're going to have to enter your full name, your email address that's connected to your account, and you can describe your problem here. So for example, here, once you enter your name, you can enter your email address. Then finally, you can describe something like, I want to change my name, but I'm unable to do so. And once you type in something like this, you could attach a file or a screenshot, insert a screenshot and click on submit. And then they will get back to you on this email right here. And once you've done that, you just follow the instruction and you should be good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.